Take a look at this Excel sheet. The data is all over the place, unstructured, messy, and honestly, a nightmare to work with. Cleaning this up manually could take hours. But what if I told you there's a way to do it in just a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to automate this entire process using AI, and it's simpler than you think.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
So here you can see we have an Excel sheet, and the data, as you can see, is completely unstructured and messy. It's the kind of thing that's just painful to deal with manually. Cleaning and formatting this the traditional way could easily take hours, and honestly, nobody has time for that. So today, I'm going to show you a smarter way to get this done, automatically. So first, let's head over to Claude AI. Now, I've already prepared a prompt specifically designed for this task. As you can see, we're asking it to create a VBA macro for Excel that works on a worksheet named Data. This prompt is carefully written to guide the AI toward exactly what we need, generating VBA code that will automatically clean, arrange, and format all of this messy data for us. I'll drop this exact prompt in the comments below so you can just copy and use it yourself. Now we'll hit the Start button and Claude will begin generating the VBA code. And just like that, it's done. You can see it's produced a complete, ready-to-use macro. So let's go ahead and download it. Once it's downloaded, open it in Notepad and copy the code. Then jump back into Excel. Head over to the Developer tab, and inside there, click on Visual Basic. Once the Visual Basic editor is open, go to Insert and click on Module. Now paste your copied code right here. You could also rename the module to keep things organized. We'll call ours Format and Clean Data. Now close the editor and go back to your Excel sheet. What we want to do next is create a button to trigger this macro. Go to Shapes, pick any shape you like, and draw it onto the sheet. This is going to act as our button. Label it something clear like Clean and Format Data. Then right-click on it, go to Assign Macro, and you'll see your module listed there, the one we named Format and Clean Data. Select it and hit OK. And that's it, our button is ready. Click somewhere else on the sheet to deselect, then go ahead and click the button. And just like that, the transformation is instant. Look at that. What was once a chaotic, unreadable mess is now clean, structured, and completely professional looking. One click, done. Now let's move on to our second task. So again, we're going back to Claude Sonnet. This time, the free usage limit has been reached, so we're accessing it through another platform. No big deal, it works exactly the same way. This time, I've actually pasted the data table directly into the prompt. Doing this gives the AI much better context, which means more accurate and relevant output. Once the prompt is ready, we click Start. Now Claude will generate a new VBA macro, and this time we're building something a bit more powerful. We're creating a pivot table macro to turn our raw data into a proper dashboard. Once the code is generated, copy it, head back to Excel and open Visual Basic again. Go to Insert, click Module, rename it to Pivot, and paste the code in. Then close the editor. Now you'll notice we already have a button on the sheet labeled Pivot Table. Right-click on it, go to Assign Macro, select Create Pivot Dashboard, and click OK. Everything's set. Let's click the button. And there it is, a fully structured pivot dashboard generated in seconds. The data that was all over the place is now organized, clean, and genuinely easy to read. It looks like something that took hours to build, but it didn't. Now let's take things one step further with our third and final task. This time, we're going to generate a complete, fully designed dashboard inside Excel, starting from nothing but a basic spreadsheet and a well-written prompt. As you can see, this is a more detailed prompt because we want a more detailed result. Doing this manually would take serious time and effort. We're talking charts, formatting, KPIs, the whole thing. But with AI, we can skip all of that. So once the prompt is ready, we hit Start, and Claude gets to work generating the VBA code for the full dashboard. Once it's done, copy the code, go back to Excel, and open Visual Basic. Insert a new module, rename it to Dashboard, paste the code in, and close the editor. Now right-click on the button we've already set up, go to Assign Macro, and select Refresh Dashboard. Hit OK. Now let's click Generate Dashboard. Wow, just look at that. The entire sheet has been transformed into a polished, professional dashboard. We've got key metrics front and center: total sales, total profit, profit margins, and more. We've got visual trends, bar charts, pie charts, everything laid out in a way that's actually easy to understand and present. The AI has done a genuinely impressive job here. This is the kind of output that would normally take a skilled analyst hours to put together. And that's the whole point. With this workflow, you're turning hours of manual work into just a few minutes of smart automation. This is one of the most practical and powerful ways to use AI alongside Excel, and I really hope you find it useful. I'll put all the prompt links in the description so you can grab them and try this out for yourself. And if you got value from this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss videos like this.